children, welcome back to another session, and this session is going to teach you about table manners. Table manners. Now what are these, children? What is table manners? Do you know? You don't know? Okay, I will tell you. So children, table manners means whenever you go to have your meal, whenever you go to have your meal, we have a meal. हम लोग कब when we eat, right? We take a meal in the breakfast, right? We have food in the breakfast. Then in afternoon we take lunch, right? Afternoon में हम लोग क्या लेते हैं? लंच लेते हैं. देन इवनिंग में थोड़ा बहुत कुछ खाते हैं हम लोग, तो उसको कहते हैं ब्रंच. दिस इज नोन एज ब्रंच. ओके. देन एट नाइट when we eat, that is a dinner. That is a dinner, right? Morning we take a breakfast. Afternoon we take a lunch. In between evening we take a brunch, and at night we take a dinner. Okay, so we have dinner at night. So children, whenever you have these meals, you have to follow some rules. Yes, है ना? अभी तो कोई रूल फॉलो किया था? नहीं किया था? ओके, अभी करना है ना? You have to follow some rules, right? There are some rules. They are known as table manners, right? Okay, let's see what are these rules. Make sure you come to the table with the clean hands and face. Yes, so whenever you go to have any meal, कुछ भी जब आप खाने के लिए जाते हो, make sure that your hands should be clean and your face too should be clean. सिर्फ hands clean है, हाथ धो के आए और मुंह पे कहीं पे गंदा लगा हुआ है, तो is it good? नहीं. So make sure that your hands and your face is clean while going to the table, means while having a meal. कुछ भी खाने के पहले you should wash your hands and face properly. Okay, next. Put a napkin on your lap. Put a napkin on your lap. जब भी आप कुछ खाते हो, you should put a napkin on your lap. Why? Why it is necessary? So that whatever you eat, if it's spilled, it will spill onto the napkin. Okay. So उससे क्या होगा? Your clothes will not get dirty. है ना? आपके कपड़े में गंदगी नहीं गिरेगी, नैपकिन पे गिरेगा जो भी है. Whenever we eat, sometimes what it happens, right? The things spill down, right? नीचे गिर जाता है. So if you have a napkin on your lap, देखो वो बॉय ने कैसे नैपकिन लिया है, तो क्या होगा? It will help you to keep your clothes clean, right? Okay. Next. Sit straight. Yes, ये हमने गुड मैनर्स में भी पढ़ा था, है ना? Sit straight, right? So you should always sit straight while eating, while studying, while talking. You should always sit straight. Okay. Next is wait for others to start eating and then join them. टेबल पे फूड आ गया, राइट? क्या करेंगे आप? तुरंत स्टार्ट करेंगे? विल यू स्टार्ट डायरेक्टली? नो, यू शुड वेट फॉर अदर्स टू स्टार्ट, है ना? बाकी सब लोग जब स्टार्ट करेंगे खाना, एट दैट टाइम ओनली यू हैव टू स्टार्ट, है ना? दैट इज अ गुड मैनर. अगर आप क्या करते हैं, जैसे ही फूड देखा आपने स्टार्ट कर दिया, दैट इज अ बैड मैनर, राइट? सो यू शुड वेट and you should wait others to start and then you have to join them. फिर उनको join करना है. Okay. Next. Keep elbow off the table while eating. Whenever you take a meal at your home, आपके घर पे अगर आप टेबल पे, if you take a food on your table, or if not, whatever it is, if you go to the restaurants में तो टेबल होता है ना? So if you have food over there, what you should do? You should keep your elbows ऑफ द टेबल, एल्बोज को ऐसे टेबल पे नहीं रखना है, यू शुड कीप योर एल्बोज ऑफ द टेबल, ठीक है, नीचे एल्बोज रहने चाहिए, ओके, ओनली हैंड्स यू शुड यूज व्हाइल ईटिंग, राइट, ओके। नेक्स्ट, keep mouth closed while chewing. Keep mouth closed while chewing. So जब भी आप chew करते हो, whenever you chew the food, chew करना means what? Whenever we eat food, what we do? We have to chew, right? So whenever you chew, you should keep your mouth closed. एकदम ऐसे ओपन करके नहीं करना है chew, ठीक है, क्लोज करके you should chew like this, धीरे धीरे, right? Okay. Yes, very important. Whenever you be in the school में भी जब आप recess में टिफिन खाते हो, या whenever you have a meal at your home, you should not talk. You should not talk, children. खाना खाते टाइम, कुछ भी खाते टाइम, you should not talk. ठीक है, बातें नहीं करनी चाहिए. You should just focus. You should concentrate on your meal. जो हम खा रहे हैं उसके बारे में सोचना है और उसको अच्छे से च्यू करके खाना है. यू शुड नॉट टॉक while having a meal. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? आप लोग बहुत बातें करते हो while having a meal. आई नो दैट स्कूल में भी रिसेस में बहुत बातें करते हैं ना, खाते हैं और बातें करते हैं. यू शुड नॉट डू दैट. दैट इज़ अ बैड मैनर. दैट इज़ अ बैड हैबिट, चिल्ड्रन. ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम नहीं करेंगे, राइट? ओके. Now see, always ask for what you need to the person sitting closest to eat. So, अगर आपके पास में कोई बैठा है, if someone is sitting closest to you, you should always ask him what you need. आपके घर पे भी आपको, अगर आप पर्टिकुलर किसी मील के पास बैठे हैं और आपके पास में कोई बैठा, you should ask them, right? What you need, so that you can serve them, right? Okay. Always ask to be excused when finished. Yes, very much important, children. All these are the table manners and these are the very good manners. It means what? कि always ask to be excused when you finish. जैसे अभी आपका finish हो गया खा के. Others are having their meal. ठीक है? आप क्या करेंगे? You just get up and you can't go from there. You should not leave the place. You should first ask excuse me. You should ask excuse me and then you can leave, right? Directly आपका हो गया और आप ऐसे सब कुछ छोड़ के, you should not go like that, right? You should ask excuse me and then only you can leave the table. Okay. Next is compliment the person who cooked the food. Yes, आप कभी बोलते हो आपकी मम्मा को, मम्मा आज का खाना बहुत अच्छा बना था. Yes, the food was very good. The food was awesome. The food was delicious. मम्मा आपके लिए इतनी मेहनत करती है, आपको इतना सारा चीज़ बना के देती है. आपने कभी बोले मम्मा को कि मम्मा you have made it very nicely. It is very nice. It is delicious. नहीं बोला. You should do that. You should compliment the person who cooked the food. जिसने भी फूड को बनाया है, you should compliment. क्या बोलना चाहिए? मम्मा या किसी ने भी बनाया हो, आपके घर में ग्रैंड माँ है या आपकी आंट है या whatever, किसी ने भी बनाया है, you should compliment them. You can say great taste, it is delicious, it is very good, I liked it. इस तरह से आपको क्या करना चाहिए? कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि पता है फूड बनाने के लिए बहुत सारा एफर्ट लगता है ना? तो वेन एवर यू कॉम्प्लीमेंट, सो क्या होता है? वो एफर्ट्स जो है क्या हो जाते हैं? यस, वो एफर्ट्स मतलब फिर नॉर्मल अच्छा लगता है ना, जो भी खाना बनाता है उसको फिर अच्छा लगता है, तो उसको लगता है कि यार चलो मेरी एफर्ट्स का कुछ मुझे आई गॉट अ फ्रूट ऑफ दैट एफर्ट, राइट? So you should do that, right? May I help you? Offer to help clean the table. Yes, आपने you had a meal, बस हो गया, हैंड वॉश किया, हो गया, काम खत्म, ऐसा करते हो? No, you should not do that. You should help your mom for cleaning the table. For cleaning the table, है ना. मम्मा ने खाना बनाया, आपको सर्व किया, आपने इतने अच्छे से खाया, उसके बाद में फिर सारा क्लीनिंग भी मम्मा करेगी. You should help. मम्मा तो करेगी, but you should help. You should help to clean the table. Okay. Offer to share the food, right? Offer to share the food wherever, at your home, in your school, है ना. You should share your food, है ना. स्कूल में आप लोग करते हो फ्रेंड्स को आपका टिफिन शेयर करते हो. Yes, very good. You should do that. You should offer to share your food. Okay. So children, you understood these were the table manners, means the rules, the manners which we should follow while having a meal. ठीक है. Okay, now there is one worksheet. Let's solve this worksheet. Okay, please write the good table manners that we should follow and cross out the one that we should avoid. ठीक है. सॉरी. जो गुड टेबल मैनर्स है उनको राइट करेंगे, और जो बैड है वी शुड नॉट फॉलो, उनको क्या करेंगे, क्रॉस. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. Now you have to give me answer, right? You have to give me answer. Okay. Yes. I wash, first one, देखो, first one, this one I'm reading. Okay. I wash my hands before eating. I wash my hands before eating. Is it a good table manner? Wash करने चाहिए hands? Yes. So this is right. Okay. Yes. Next, I'm reading this now. I keep my feet up on the table. I keep my feet up on the table. The place where we have a meal, I keep my feet on that. Is it good manner? No. So let's cross it. Okay. Yes. I'm reading this one. I play with the fork, spoon and dishes. टेबल पे गए, वहाँ पे फोर्क रखा है, स्पून रखा है, डिशेस रखा है, एंड आई स्टार्टेड बैंगिंग इट, आई स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग इट. इज इट अ गुड मैनर? No, this is not a good manner. So let's cross it. Okay. Next, this one. I sit straight while eating. I sit straight while eating. Is it a good manner? Straight बैठना चाहिए ना eating whenever we eat. Yes. So let's write it. Okay. Next, this one. I talk with food in my mouth. I have a food in my mouth and I talk. And I talk, right, with my friends, with my like parents or whatever. Is it a good manner? No. We should not talk while eating a food. So let's cross it. Okay. Yes. Next is, I spill my food on the table. Spill करते food को. Whenever you eat, you just spill. नीचे गिराते हो बहुत सारा food. Is it a good manner? No, this is not a good manner. You should not spill the food. It is a wastage of food, right? And we should not do that. Okay, so let's cross it. This is a bad manner. Next. I play while eating my food. While eating a food, I play. You should do that. Should you do that? No, you should not play while eating. You should not play. You should not talk. You should just have to sit calmly and you have to focus on your eating. और आपको खाना चाहिए आराम से एक जगह पे बैठ के. यू शुड नॉट प्ले. आप करते हो ना ऐसा, मम्मा को पीछे पीछे भगाते हो ना खाने के लिए. यू शुड नॉट डू दैट. दैट इज़ वेरी बैड चिल्ड्रन. ऐसे नहीं करेंगे ना नेक्स्ट टाइम. ओके. यस. सो आई प्ले व्हाइल ईटिंग माई फूड. Wrong. You should not do that. You should not play. Next. I help my mother to wipe the table clean. I help my mother. मम्मा को help करते हैं while cleaning the table. Is it a good manner? Yes. This is a good manner. Very good manner. Okay. So let's make it right. Okay, children. So you got it, table manners, and you are going to follow this. Okay. Yes. So our session is over here. Meet you in the next session. Bye bye.